Hitachi's KC10DFL 12-volt peak 2-piece micro combo kit. It includes the DS10DFL micro driver drill. Don't be fooled by its size. While it weighs only 2.2 pounds and is less than 7.5 inches in length, this tool delivers an impressive 195 inch-pounds of torque. This can be controlled by the 21+1 clutch, which allows you to adjust the level of torque depending on your application. To further that, you have a 2-speed motor adjusted by this switch on the top of the driver, which allows you to go from 0 to 300 RPM in the low mode and 0 to 1300 RPM in the high-speed mode. Included too is the 3/8 inch chuck. This allows you to use up to a 3/8 inch drill bit or any other type of bit that you might use with the tool. It has a responsive trigger, which is variable speed depending on how far you depress the trigger. Now, you'll also notice when you depress the trigger, a small LED light will light the work that you're doing. This is convenient because with a slight depression, the light turns on. You can position your bit, your fastener, whatever it is you're working on, and when you completely pull the trigger, the light stays on so you can actually see what you're working on. It also has a freestanding design, so if you do need to set the tool down, say you're on your back inside of a cabinet and you need to reach for another fastener or you've got to reposition, if you set the tool down, it's going to stay where you put it and not have to set it on its side, which can be very difficult, especially when you're in a tight space. As with all Hitachi lithium-ion cordless power tools, this drill features a 10-year manufacturer's warranty. The battery pack also features a 2-year warranty, so you'll always have peace of mind. It also includes the WH10DFL lithium-ion micro impact driver. It features Hitachi's new 1.5 amp hour lithium-ion battery, which is half the weight and lasts 3 times as long as a conventional NiCad battery. It also provides fade-free power, which means the first time you pull the trigger, it's going to have just as much power as the last time you pull the trigger. It's impressively lightweight at only 2.2 pounds and less than 6 inches in length. It delivers an impressive 840 inch-pounds of torque, which means it's got enough power to tackle any type of job. It includes the convenient 1/4 inch hex chuck, which allows fast and convenient changes of bits. It has a very responsive variable speed trigger, which gives you a range from 0 to 2500 RPM, also offers 0 to 3000 beats per minute in its hammer mode. It includes a convenient LED just under the hex chuck, which will illuminate your work as you're working on it. When you lightly depress the trigger, the light activates. You can adjust your bit, adjust the fastener to where you need it, position the tool, and the light stays illuminated until you've released the trigger completely. It also offers a freestanding design, which means if you set the tool down, it's going to stand in its vertical position, which makes it quick and easy to grab. Probably the most convenient part of this tool is its size, which allows you to get into a tight, small space. Typically, you don't have this type of power in such a compact size. That means that when you need to get that last screw that you just can't quite reach, this tool is going to do the job. It's going to have the power to get it done. You're going to be able to see what you're working on, and it's small enough that you're not going to be fatigued if you have to work with the tool over your head or in a tight or awkward space. It's designed for drilling or fastening into concrete, masonry, wood, any type of application where you need a lot of torque in a small compact size and a great value. The tool carries Hitachi's lithium-ion cordless tool warranty, which is for 10 years, and has a 2-year warranty on the battery. Also included, a 12-volt lithium-ion battery charger, 7-piece hex bit driver set, instructions, warranty information, and a convenient carrying case. This would be a great set for the homeowner who doesn't need a professional grade tool but needs power and a small tool to get things done around their house. Now, you're not going to drive 3-inch drywall screws all day with this tool. However, for the occasional fixer-upper or small or tight space or professional that needs an accessory tool that can get into small places that they can use where the 18 volt or a larger tool might not get into. This is going to be a great set. I really like the size. They feel great in your hand. They're absolutely more powerful than you'd ever believe for the size of them. They feel like an extension of your hand. Great for the professional, even better for the homeowner.